Hey guys, it has been a long while since my last video. I'm still not back to my regular uploading schedule, but I'm going to give my best to upload more than I did the past month. Anyways, Valentine's Day is coming up very soon, so I have created this shattered glass nail design. In today's tutorial, we're gonna work with gel, but I have a shattered glass nail art tutorial using polish, which I am going to link you at the end of this video. After prepping the nails, add a primer. Then go ahead and add a base gel and cure it. Please keep in mind that I'm curing after each layer of gel. I'm not going to mention it every single time. To give the foil pieces something to stick onto, add a top gel. My cousin got me this container full of pink Mylar flakes from the 100 yen shop in Japan. You could also cut a sheet of nail foil into pieces if you don't have this at home. Now add the pieces individually on the nail. I actually added less foil pieces on this hand than on my right hand, which I regret, so make sure to compare both of your hands to get an even overall look. Cure it and add another layer of foils if you'd like, then add 1 to 2 coats of top gel. Remove the sticky layer and file your nail until you have an even surface. This step is necessary if your foil pieces tend to stick out. Now add a top gel and the manicure is basically done. You could leave it like this or add some accent nails. For securing any 3D items, I need my jewelry gel from Miss You Beauty. It makes the application so much easier, and by the way, I bought this product myself. I ended up adding 8 metal bars around the heart because I already did so on my right hand. Comparing them, I actually love the look of 4 metal bars. Do you prefer the look of 8 or 4 metal bars? Let me know in the comment section below. I love securing my 3D items well, so I also added the jewelry gel over the metal pieces. Please keep in mind that I'm not a professional. This is just my way of doing my own nails. Lastly, I added a layer of top gel. After removing the sticky layer, touch the surface of your nail to be sure that nothing bothers you. And this is it. This design is very easy to do, but it does require some time because of the individual placement of the Mylar. I am very happy with my nails, but I'm already scared of the removal process. It shouldn't be as hard as removing glitter, but still, it's gonna be work, especially because I don't have a nail drill. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day, no matter if you're celebrating it or not. I'm actually not, but I love doing my nails for Valentine's Day, which is a bit weird, but anyways. I have tons and tons of videos on my channel, so even though I'm not uploading currently, you can watch so many of my videos. The video linked on the top is the one I mentioned in the beginning of this video, and the one on the bottom is another Valentine's Day tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!